This is the most beautiful place in all of Australia. This is the Royal National Park. It is super quiet out here. I'm actually the only person on this trail. It does get a bit intimidating. This is super beautiful. The view is spectacular. Just the serenity. It is to die for. Take a look at this incredible view behind me. Check this out. Water covers the whole area as far as the eyes could see. Super amazing. It's always good to just stop and appreciate nature. Stop in your tracks and appreciate the beauty of the Mother Earth. No place like home. And to me, this is home. Earth, it is home.